This section will just be a section of a South 120 loop for the S22. Over to about where we think we caught it when we turned it back on, when it had been turned off. Turn left here. The Confederate Cemetery is here on the left, or on the right once we turn. Like I said, we do have video of the Confederate Cemetery and the National Cemetery. To identify this section and put it first. Yeah, we were talking about the transmission and came up with Hope Springs Eternal and asked where that phrase came from, and it was an English poet in 1732 in a poem. It may have been right here where we started the video back. You might have a little bit of duplication, but at least we'll have the complete loop. This should get all of it. We'll go ahead and turn this off. We'll go back and cut through town again. Turn this off. Well, we missed a mile and a half, 2 miles with the S22 Ultra. Sometimes it just cuts off. So y'all missed the part where Hope Springs Eternal comes from an English poet, 1732 poem. We have it on the GoPro Black 10, but not on the S22. Okay, coming up on Georgia 3, US 41 again. I wonder where old 41 goes through Marietta at. I'm sure it went right through town, or I believe it did. South is to the right, north is to the left. So far, the transmission is upshifting and downshifting perfectly. Yeah, US 41, Georgia 3 sort of bisects the loop. Georgia 120 bisects it north and south, and US 41 bisects it east and west. 75 down at the bottom of the hill there. Building, I think that was it right there, that aluminum frame building that stood for years and years and years. Did they just take the frame and finish it, or did they tear it down and redo it? What did they do with that building? I'd forgotten about that until I saw that. It looked like it. Okay, again, we're running into the sun, so south is to the right, north is to the left. Brilliant deduction. Sometimes I amaze myself with my brilliance or lack of, whichever is appropriate. Street sign. That's Lower Roswell. They have a street sign on the corner, but not above. Coming up on Georgia 120. To the right is east. To the left is west, and this is where we started our loop. I mean, this is where we started 120 going through town. Over, we will be on the north loop. guess you could say 75 bisects at east and west, but I prefer to think of 41 as bisecting at east and west. Actually, I guess both of them do, technically. Or divided into thirds, whatever. I have that overthinking problem, in case y'all haven't noticed. I have a run in my mouth problem too. Some people like it, some people dislike it intensely. I think I've lost subscribers because of it. Somewhere to change these oil cooling lines. If I knew I had the right tools, I'd do it in front of a parts store somewhere. Maybe Home Depot or Lowe's, where I could buy any tools I need. I have them in the toolbox. I should have everything I need. I'm going to lose some oil, so I don't want to do it in the driveway. Okay, coming back up on 41. I think what we'll do when we get back to 120, we will turn the GoPro Black 10 off and then go ahead and get a segment, because the camera was off, the S22 was off. Get a segment to where we turned it back on. That way we would have that segment to make a complete 120 loop with the S22 Ultra. We will go back through town on 120. We will stop maybe at the Walmart and check the oil leak. I would like to get some more video. It's just 7:30. I don't think I gave y'all the temperature. It's about 70 degrees, going to about 90, 91, back down to about 70 tonight, 69. Yeah, this is also Georgia 5 South. 5 North goes all the way on up into North Carolina. Boy, I see, this stuff comes out of my mouth. I'm about to say Alabama. Goes up into, it used to, but now they've changed 5 to, 575 with 4 lane, but old 5. Take you into Murphy, North Carolina. We're going to get over in the left-hand lane. We're going to be stopping this and starting that short loop, short section. Up here we're going to stop it, then we'll start the S22 again and get this other little section so that we can have a complete loop with the S22 off. Somehow or another it was off. Like I said, this is 120. We will come back here and we will come back and turn right on 120 and go back through town.